There has been a massive earthquake in Sichuan, China. The earthquake occurred on May 12, 2008 at 2:28 p.m. local time.
The depth of the focus was about 12 miles, and the location of the epicenter was about 55 miles west-northwest of Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province.
The earthquake's magnitude was 7.9 in Richter scale and 11 in Mercalli scale, and was followed by many aftershocks ranging up to 6.4 in Richter scale.
This was the real situation during the earthquake. This earthquake was caused by the collision of the Indian, Australian, and Eurasian plates along the Longmention Fault, which is a thrust fault that is 155 miles long. Longmention Fault, which separates the plateau of Tibet from the Sichuan Basin, runs from southwest to northwest along the eastern side of the Longmen Mountain.
The stresses are produced by northwards moving Indian Australian plates shifted a portion of the plateau of Tibet eastwards.
The quake caused mass movements such as landslides, avalanches, and rock falls that damaged or destroyed mountain roads and railways and buried buildings. This damage to the roads and debris cut off rescuers to the region for several days.
Landslide in Qingshan buried 700 people at once. Also, nearly 2,500 dams reported to have been damaged, and over 7,000 school buildings collapsed in the earthquake. Several cities were almost completely destroyed, and 2 chemical plants collapsed, which led to a spill of more than 80 tons.
Almost 9,000 people were counted as dead or missing, and nearly 375,000 people were injured by the falling debris and building collapse. Millions of people were made homeless, and the electronic loss caused by the quake was estimated to be 86 billion. This made it the 16th deadliest earthquake in history.